click the bell icon and never miss another update from Bollywood Spy.
Wow, so the teaser looks amazing. We've been watching it for quite some time now.
Thank you.
How was your overall experience and what was the response? That we'd like to know.
I think the teaser was very warmly received. We were very happy with the way it was received. We were very clear that we wanted to set out the world, show the world in which the story is set, show the character that Salman will be portraying in the teaser, so that everybody's clear about the canvas of the film. And that's really worked well for us, because I think people have really reacted very positively to the way Salman is acting and being seen in this teaser, and also the sort of backdrop of this film, the locations and the atmosphere in which the story is set.
And there were 1,000 dancers. My God, how did it go?
That only Remo can handle.
I'm going to ask that question again now.
If I get 1,000 extras, I start sweating. I don't know how he handles so many dancers. But that's totally all credit to Remo to be able to handle a song of this scale. We've done it, really successfully earlier in Selfie Le Le Re in Bajrangi. So obviously, when we had a song of this scale, the natural choice was Remo, and I think he's done it all over again.
Lovely. So thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us. I request you to please stay back here with me. I request everyone there to please switch off your cameras, because something very special is going to be played here. So I request everyone in the audience to please switch off your cameras. Right? Are we all set? Can we make some noise, please? Can we be a little louder, guys? Come on. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to showcase our song.
Chai pilani padegi, I think, sabko pehle.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am actually eagerly waiting to ask this question to Remo, sir. So I'm starting with you, sir. How was the overall experience? Because the hook step, we really want to see Remo, sir, doing the hook step. Yeah? Yes or no? So first, we would like to know about it. How was the overall experience?
Overall experience बहुत कमाल का था, and of course इसके पहले हम काम कर चुके थे कबीर सर के साथ, सेल्फी में किया था, and जब इस बार भी मुझे फ़ोन आया तो ऐसे ठीक है मैं सेट पे जाके मिलता हूँ, and when I went on set it was huge. हमें बहुत बड़ा सेट था, उनका यहाँ पे करना है गाना, ऐसे ये गाना सेलिब्रेशन गाना है, तो of course बहुत सारा ये पूरा भरना पड़ेगा, तो बहुत सारे डांसर्स लगेंगे, बहुत सारे जूनियर्स लगेंगे. I said yes, we have to make it big in this thing. And brief दिया, जिस तरीके से brief दिया उस तरीके से गाना set किया, and then now you can see it on screen, and it was fun doing this song.
It was undoubtedly fantastic, and now yes, we would love to see that step once. Come on, people!
Yeah.
Can we cheer him up?
We should have Pritam also do it.
प्रीतम भी बहुत अच्छा करता है.
बहुत अच्छा करता है प्रीतम ये गाना.
Step.
प्रीतम दा आप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं.
सजन रेडियो बजाइयो 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 जरा, सजन रेडियो बजाई के सभी को नचाइयो जरा.
Whoa! Only you can do that. Hats off to you.
Can all the RJs come and do this?
Yeah.
छुप जाते हो माइक के पीछे, अब आओ यहाँ सामने कैमरे के सामने नाचो.
बहुत ही सिंपल है, आई थिंक सभी कर सकते हैं इसको. आ जाओ चलो चलो, वेरी गुड.
बस एक.
कम ऑन
सिर्फ एक.
सब आयो यार आरजे. चलो मेरे साथ सब लोग. कम ऑन.
बस
कम
दो.
ऑन गेट अप.
इतने सारे चैनल्स और सिर्फ दो.
कौन है ये देखो ये. हाँ. Come on, चलो आ जाओ.
Come on, people, be a sport.
there.
जल्दी से आ जाइए स्टेज पे. We'll all do it together.
यहाँ पे.
आ रहे कोई और आ रहे.
बोल आगे. Very good.
All right, now the fun part is that we're playing the audio as well.
ओह ओके, तो पहले मैं बता दूं, बट बहुत ही सिंपल है, मैं ये ताकि आप सजन रेडियो बजइयो 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 जरा, सजन रेडियो बजई के सभी को नचइयो जरा, सजन रेडियो बजइयो 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 जरा.
Whoa! Let's have a huge round of applause.
Thank you.
And thank you so much, guys, for joining us. All right. Next, we all would want to know from Amitabh and Preeti.
Working with Kabir is always fun. I've like always worked with him. So वो एक टीम बन गया और अमिताभ हमारे साथ फैंटम में काम किया और बजरंग भी में किया. सो ये गाना बनाने के बाद तो ऑब्वियसली अमिताभ came up with the hook, Sergeant Radio. कैसे तू हुक में आया that you
मतलब as usually it happens, I write on दादा's tunes, तो धुन बदन दी थी एंड ब्रीफ था बेसिकली. तो मैं सोचा कि क्या किया, जब जिस वक्त की कहानी है सेलिब्रेशन और एंटरटेनमेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन का सबसे जो कॉमन जो मीडियम था दैट वाज रेडियो. तो एक पब्लिक प्लेस पे अगर सेलिब्रेशन हो रहा है कुछ तो उसमें रेडियो का कनेक्शन है. नॉट टू मेंशन कि आज के ज़माने में भी मतलब रेडियो की खास जगह है मेरी जिंदगी में. सो इट वाज क्वाइट अ क्यूट हुक, सजन रेडियो बजाइयो जरा, एंड कबीर लाइक्ड इट, दादा लाइक्ड इट, एंड इट वर्कड.
Wow.
आई थिंक अभी सब रेडियो स्टेशन को ये कट के गाने रेडियो आप लोग आपका जितना मन चाहे आप
नाम डाल के बजा सकते.
हाँ बजा सकते हो जितना मन चाहे. और क्या ये फिल्म वाज बेस्ड इन लाइक अर्ली लाइक इट हैज अ 62. सो इसका ऑर्केस्ट्रेशन में भी आप अगर आप एंड इट्स बेस्ड इन लिटिल ब्रिटिश era, that colonial time. So with that Indian, we have used accordion and the kind of orchestration we've done, which reminds you of that era. Even the Antara, which is not there in the promo, is a very like a very melodious classic type Antara. So we have kept that feel all through कि ये फिल्म के साथ भी एकदम जाए, so that और आज का ऑडियंस के साथ भी जाए, आज भी सब एंजॉय करें और मूवी के स्क्रिप्ट के साथ भी जाए.
Right, it's a beautiful song, and Salman is actually looking like a child in the song. You know, that innocence exudes, you know, when he dances, when he gives those expressions. All right, so moving on to Sanujit sir. आप बताइए कैसा experience था, how was the overall response?
See, when we first heard the song, that was our expression. That image of Salman, that was, we were completely overjoyed, and the idea of having this entire listening, pre-listen setup was born from that first listen that we did. It's an incredible experience for us to be working with Pritam again, because he's like a man with a Midas touch. Amitabh, and also our first project with Kabir Khan, and also with Salman Khan. So it's something really special for Sony Music.
True, true. Wow. And Amar sir, the most important thing, on May 16th, this song is going to get launched in Dubai. What would you like to share with us about that?
So this is the first time that any film out of India will launch a song outside the country. I think for us it was really important because usually when we release a film on Eid, our promotion time is the month of Ramzan, and we unfortunately can't do much there. And that's a market that shows a lot of love for Salman as well. 30-40% of our business in the overseas market comes from the Gulf. And we really wanted to reach out to his fans there. So yeah, this time we're going to go. We all leave in a few days and we're going to go make a lot of noise there with Salman. And we have our fingers crossed. We hope that audience loves the song as well.
Lovely, lovely. And I'm sure that you all must be having a lot of questions. So I would now like to announce an open forum, and you can ask whatever questions you have based on the song and the film to our delegates sitting here. So where do I see the first question coming from?
प्रीतम दा, मेरा सवाल आपसे और रेमो सर से भी है कि जब सेल्फी आपने किया, उसके बाद ये बहुत बड़ा एक आपके लिए टफ चीज़ रही होगी कि अब उससे बेहतर हम क्या दे दें. तो इसके लिए कितना तैयार थे और रेडियो बजाइयो जरा के लिए किस तरीके से आप दोनों ने कोरियोग्राफ किया और गाना बनाया?